Hi, my name is Roger. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Alejandro.
Tell me, Alejandro, where are you from?
I am from Colombia.
Where in Colombia?
I am Ocaña.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Tell me, what school do you go to?
I go to Nuestra Señora de Fátima School.
And who is your favorite celebrity or the person you admire the most?
The person I admire the most is Pelé.
Can you tell me a little bit about Pelé?
Pelé was a Brazilian soccer player widely regarded as one of the greatest players ever, known as the King. He revolutionized soccer because of his extraordinary skill, creativity, and sportsmanship.
And tell me, where was Pelé born?
Pelé was born in Minas Gerais in Brazil and grew up in poverty in Bauru, São Paulo.
And tell me, why is Pelé so important in the history of soccer?
Pelé was important because only player in history to win 3 World Cups with Brazil.
How many goals did he score in his career?
He scored 1,269 goals during his career, and he also won a Guinness record.
Tell me, Pelé used to say something about people's success. Do you remember that saying?
Success is not accident, it's hard work, it's perseverance, learning, sacrifice, and most love of what you are doing.
Okay, good. I like that expression. Okay, I like that. That is like a motto. Success is not accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing. Thank you, Alejandro. Okay, thank you very much.